Alright guys, we're down here on Grayson Lake in Kentucky, and I looked at the topo map, so I decided to come over here to Clifty Creek. And we're going to fish down through here, see if we can't get something out here today. I've never been here, but this is absolutely a gorgeous lake. So. But according to the topo map, there's some big cuts that come out here in flats along this side bank over here. So I'm actually going to be starting off right over here by this bridge, and then we will start working our way down. There's some points back this way that we're going to hit and see what we can get. I'll tell you what, half the adventure even coming out on these things is just getting to see the new places and the little towns that you got to drive through to get there and everything. It's all a great little adventure. So I want to start off with this little whopper plopper thing. I've actually never caught a fish on it, but wow, there was a strike right off the bat. There's one. All right. Oh, he came off. What a bummer. That would have been my first Grayson Lake bass. So anyways, these little flats come out in here. And they come out and they drop off to like 10, 12 feet of water or something. But they, this whole lake's pretty deep, I think, as far as that goes. But you want to try to find the areas that come out on the bank. Hopefully we can figure something out and get them going today. We've had one bite on this little crankbait. I had one blow up on the whopper plopper, but I didn't get anything off of it. There's one. All right. Well, crap. Up, quick release. That was 2 quick releases so far. There's one. All right. Woohoo. So got another one, boys. Woohoo. That's a tank, ain't it? Maybe we'll get some better ones. Get that baby back in there. Well, I don't know if you can tell or not, but there's little flats that run down through here. Stick out 6, 8 feet of water. So I got this little crankbait that runs probably 6 feet deep. When I feel it hit, I just move off the bank a little bit. Oh crap. I'm in a tree. And I got a fish. Ah! You see that, boys? That's some crazy shit right there. Look at that. I got one of them there blue gaily thingies dragging through the top of the tree and everything. Woohoo! Gotta love it. I don't even know how I did that one. There's one. Woohoo! You got another one, boys. Oh, gotta love it. So far they've been nothing but small, but I switched up to this worm, my crankbait bite pretty much died off. There's one. Woohoo! Another baby. I'll take it though. Little purple worm. Say woohoo! There we go. Woohoo! That one came right out of there. We got another one, boys. Woohoo! Put him back. There's one. Oh, what do we got? Little bluegilly thing. Put him back. Not doing too hot on the bass today, boys. I mean, wow, it's been tough. There we go. Got another one, boys. Another baby. Woohoo! Got him loose. There we go. There's the fish. Woohoo! Alright, got another one, boys. Woohoo! Get him back. I don't know if that storm's going to pass or what, but I'm hearing thunder and stuff. Alright guys, I just finished up. I don't know how many we caught today. Lost a few. Mainly got them on that crankbait that ran about 6-8 feet deep. Every time I'd find like a pile of rocks that washed off one of those cliff faces and made a little point or something, that's normally where I caught my fish at. We just fished the one creek, Clifty Creek today, so we'll have to come back and try a different area next time. But hope you guys like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff, and we'll get back with you.